Welcome to ScreenPrintMiami.net's video series on our Design Studio. In the last video, we went through the menu on the left. Now we are going to get into the designs. Bring in a design, and this is a design template. We have over 2,000 design templates, and as I have mentioned, they are all customizable. But let's start with looking at the elements as you bring in a design into Design Studio. You can zoom in or zoom back out. You can select the whole design to be able to edit at the design level. You can duplicate this design. Duplication is usually for elements of the design, maybe not necessarily the whole design. And then you can see the layers. Layers are very important to understand. If you notice this top, this is at the top level. This is at the very top. If I was to move this down, one doesn't do anything, but if I was to move it down below the fish, it still is showing. But if I moved it down below this, it's hiding. You cannot see it. So you bring it back up. If I was to take this bottom layer and bring it up, you can see how it keeps hiding the elements below it. This is the biggest element of the shirt, and hence it needs to be at the back of the layers. You can delete a layer, and you can see how that really adds characteristic to the design. And if you delete something or do something that you want to undo, click undo. This is probably the most used feature of Design Studio. If you click here and you want to change something about this, go to the zoom in layer. If you want to change the size of this, you certainly can. If you don't like that, click undo. The other feature I want to show you is that when you bring in a design down here, you can see the number of colors in your design. If you were to put this on a white shirt, the white would end up being the color of the t-shirt. So you would only have two colors in the design. And anytime you see a color, you may opt for it to be the color of the shirt so that you can reduce the number of colors by one. That is it for this video. Stay tuned for editing in the next video.